Oh well, hi Billy. After all this time, and just for you, we've got your sensor on the M5 scale sorted out and a remote button to start our Targetmaster. So it's all set up here. We're going to be throwing a 55 grains of accurate 2520, which is a very fine ball powder. We press our remote start button, we're feeding powder in, and now we have our load. And if we were to put in one single kernel, I'll put in a single kernel of this is a single kernel of Target. See they're registering on the scale, so we know this is a good load. Throw another one. Okay, so we know it works a treat. We've got a micro adjuster here so we can adjust up and down on the sensor. This one clamps it onto the back of the scale. We've got a 3D printed camera bracket here and a little camera. Remote buttons on a meter of line. And I'll switch this off and show you how that plugs in. So that plugs in the back of that. Now we can use it without the extension button, just the same. So without the button in, it works just as it always did. There we go. And with the button in, both buttons work whether this is plugged in or not. And now we've got this one. Okay, I'll show you a bit of a close-up on that. Well, to plug the remote button in, we've got an AV lead there. Just pushes on, that's in, and we're off. Now we've got the normal lead with a heavy-duty plug on the back of this, with a just same as yours. This clamps onto the scale here. So I don't have to modify the scale in any way. It's got a cable restraint here which slides up and down. So there's your sensor, slides up and down in a little channel, spring loaded there. This hooks onto the lip. This will fit the M5, Lyman M5 and the RCBS 1010, and also the old O-House 505, same frame. So there we are. That slips on there. Let's put the cable restraint on. There we go. It slips up in the hole there. The little lip hooks over. Then we just screw it up. Doesn't need to be over tightened, so we're not going to go anywhere. And there we are, set up, ready to roll. The if you want the camera bracket, is similar sort of setup. We can adjust the camera bracket up and down, and that just clamps on with a couple of screws on the back. And again, this will fit the M5 and the RCBS 1010. There we go. Goes on there. So I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm glad it's done now, and I can print these and we get these into circulation. And if it wasn't for you chivying me up, Billy, they would never have happened. Just to add also that the little cameras work just as well on a tablet. And we can do zoom up and whatever on these. So they can stick up wherever you like. And they'll also work on a phone. This works on an Android phone or tablet, not on an iPhone. There we go. Okay, it's working back to front, so we can flip that up the other way. So that was the right way. Yeah. There you go. This is the app for this is called USB Camera. Free app, and excellent